This is a Japanese-style washing machine and dryer heat pump. Now, we are going to open it and check it step by step to find out where the issue is. This machine operates on 100 volts, so we have installed this voltage regulator for it. Now, we will supply power to it, turn it on, and check whether it is operating at 100 volts. Now, we will turn on the machine and show you the error. Let's turn it on, set it to spin mode, and press the play button. As you can see, it has started showing the H10 error. Now, we will test it and check where exactly the issue is, what component is faulty, and why this error is occurring. Now look, we have removed the front panel, and now we are going to check what the issue is. Inside, I can see that some pipes are chewed, and the reason for this is that there were mice in the machine, which have damaged the wires and pipes. Now we will disassemble it further and take out the circuit. As you can see inside, the mice have chewed the pipes, and you can clearly see the damage. When we opened the back side of the machine, we found that the condition was quite bad. The mice had chewed the pipes in several places. When we looked down, we saw that they had also chewed the wire of the fan motor. This is the reason why the machine is having problems. Now, we will remove the motor and take it out for further inspection. Look here, the mice have completely chewed the wires. Now we are going to repair them. We will join the wires using soldering, and we will do the same for the other wires as well. The last wire we are connecting is the red wire. After that, we will place heat shrink sleeves over the connections and apply heat so that they fit securely onto the wires. This is how you can also repair damaged wires. It is a time-consuming process, but the result is reliable and ensures a proper connection. Now, you can see that I have repaired and reinstalled the blower motor. There are no issues with the wires anymore, and I have also attached the connectors properly. If you ever face a similar issue, you can fix it in the same way. Now, I will explain to you about this chamber. This is the heat chamber where hot air is produced. The heaters are installed here, and this is the blower that directs the hot air toward the drum to ensure that the clothes dry appropriately. There is also a sensor installed here, which detects the heat and monitors how much heat is being transferred to the drum. However, as you can see, the mice have also chewed its wire. Now, we will install a new wire for it so that we can test the machine properly. We will secure it using clips and then check the machine to ensure everything is working fine. Now, we have connected the sensor using jumper wires. Now we will supply power to the machine, turn it on, and set it to spin mode. After pressing play, the machine is running perfectly and everything is functioning properly. We will keep it running for a while, and if you look closely, you can see that the drum is also rotating properly. However, now an error has appeared. It's showing H29 error. This could be due to a missing component that we might have forgotten to install. Let's check and identify the cause of this error. We forgot to install the fan, which was causing the H29 error. This fan is placed here to keep the PCB cool, preventing it from overheating. Since we didn't install it earlier, the machine detected the missing fan and displayed the error. Now, we have installed the fan properly. Let's turn the machine on again, set it to spin mode, and press play. As you can see, the machine is running smoothly, and the fan is also working properly. Now there are no faults, and the machine is completely fixed. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.